Let's talk about something that many NFT creators in New York are dealing with. You've launched your NFT project. Maybe it looks great. Maybe it's backed by real utility. Maybe it even has celebrity hype, a strong roadmap, or amazing art. But here's the problem. No one's seeing it. No one's buying. No traction. No community. No buzz. So what's going wrong? It's not your vision, it's your NFT marketing strategy. In 2025, you can't just launch a collection and hope it sells out, especially not in a competitive, fast-moving place like New York. You need a full-stack marketing engine that cuts through the noise, because there are thousands of NFT projects dropping every week. Here's what successful NFT brands in NYC are doing differently. They build a real community, not just followers. They leverage influencers in Web3 plus NYC's creative scene. They run paid campaigns strategically Meta, Twitter, even Google Ads. And they optimize their SEO to make sure when people search for new NFTs, they actually show up. That's the sweet spot we focus on at IndeedSEO. We're not just marketers, we're NFT native. We know what makes buyers pay attention, what builds real momentum, and how to navigate the tight regulations and digital noise in New York's market. Whether you're building a PFP project, a utility-based NFT, or tokenizing real-world assets, marketing will make or break your launch. So if your NFT project in New York has potential, but you're struggling to get eyes on it, visit IndeedSEO.com or drop the name of your project in the comments. We'll give you a few real tips, no strings attached. And hey, if you're serious about making Web3 work in Web2 reality, like, subscribe, and follow for more NFT marketing strategies that actually drive results.